Looking for a cute personalized Christmas gift? Today I'm customizing these cute elves by adding names to them. And these are so perfect for kids. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 5 out of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. Today's DIY is all about personalization. We are customizing these adorable elves by adding names to them using HTV. This project is super simple and perfect to give to kids. As always, I've linked all the supplies in the description down below, so grab what you need and let's jump into the craft. Here's what you're gonna need. These little elf dolls, I got these from the dollar store. I'm going to be using matless HTV from Cricut in the color white. A Cricut machine, a mini heat press. I will be using my HTV Runt mini heat press. Again, everything is linked in the description below, and let's get into the craft. First, let's design the names in Cricut Design Space. I'm using the standard font, but you can use a fun festive one if you'd prefer. Type in the names, size them to fit the elf or the hat, which I made mine about 1.75 inches, and don't forget to mirror the text for the HTV. Once the design is ready, load your HTV into the Cricut. After cutting, weed away the excess vinyl, leaving only the names on the clear carrier sheet. Next, position the name where you want it on the elf. I'm going to be hitting the second option as that is the temperature I need for my HTV. Press gently for about 15 to 20 seconds, making sure you're not melting the fabric. After pressing, let it cool and pull away the carrier sheet. I like to give it one final press for about 5 seconds to make sure that the design fully adhered. You can add even more personalization if you want, and just like that, your custom elf is ready to spread some holiday cheer. Here are the final elves. I love how the names pop and how fun they look. I made some of these for my boyfriend's nieces and nephews, and I think they're gonna love them. Anyways, that is day 5 out of 12 Days of Craftmas. I hope that you're enjoying the series and that this project inspires you to add personalization to some of your holiday crafts. If you try this DIY, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear how your elves turned out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys here tomorrow for day 6, and as always, adios!